Good day, math enthusiasts. My name is Artishes and I'm majoring in mechanical engineering. Math is no doubt one of the key aspects of each science, and graphs are no doubt one of the key aspects of it. Transforming a graph is something that's broadly used in mathematics, but not really understood by the students well enough. I will show how the location of each variable in the graph will affect its transformation and proceed with showing some examples.
Here is an example of a function. Let's call it f of x. By adding any number greater than 0 to the function, we would move it up. For example, by adding 1, we would move it up by 1 unit. By substituting a number greater than 0 from the function, we would move it down. For example, by substituting 3, we would move it down by 3 units. By adding any number greater than 0 inside the function, we would move it left. For example, by adding 5, we would move it left by 5 units. By substituting any number greater than 0 inside the function, we would move it right. For example, by substituting 2, we would move it right by 2 units. By putting a negative sign outside the function, we would reflect it over the x-axis. By putting a negative sign inside the function, we would reflect it over the y-axis. By putting a number greater than 1 in the front of the function, we would vertically stretch it. For example, by putting 2, we would vertically stretch the function by the factor of 2. By putting a number greater than 0 but less than 1 in front of the function, we would vertically compress it. For example, by putting 0.5, we would vertically compress it by the factor of 0.5. By putting a number greater than 0 but less than 1 inside the function, we would horizontally compress it. For example, by putting 2, we would horizontally compress it by the factor of 2. By putting a number greater than 0 but less than 1 inside the function, we would horizontally stretch the function. For example, by putting 0.5, we would horizontally stretch the function by the factor of 0.5.
I hope this video helps you to understand the transformation of graphs, and if you have any friends who struggle with the same issue, feel free to share this video with them, and good luck with your math.